Dear students, due to some technical problem in the mobile, I have to pause. I have stopped the video in between. Now this is the continuation part of that video only, which I have uploaded just now. In this we will move on to the next question. Suppose the question has been asked, question number 4. In a certain species of animals, black fur, that is capital B, is dominated over brown fur B. Predict the genotype and phenotype of the offspring when both parents are capital B, small b, or have heterozygous black fur. So what we will do, we will draw a cross between the two parents which are heterozygous for the above characters given, and then you have to tell the genotype and the phenotype of the given progeny or the progeny that we obtain. So let's draw this again. So here we will take capital B, small b as one of the parent, and another parent is also heterozygous for brown and black fur. So these are the parents. So we'll write here P, and you can write gametes. The gametes formed will be capital B, small b, and here also you will get capital B, small b. Now what we will do, we will form or we will draw a checkerboard here, and only two gametes are there, so we'll have to draw the 4 boxes, and on one side we'll write one gamete, on another side we'll write another gamete, and here cross multiply it, BB, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, and small b, small b. Now they asked you to write the genotype. So genotype you will write as, genotype is capital BB, that is 1, capital B, small b, that is 2, small b, that is 1. You don't have to write the ratio, although it is similar to ratio, but because they have asked you genotype, so we'll write it like this. Okay. Then they have asked you to write the phenotype of progeny. So what you will write, how they look like. Phenotype means physical expression of the character, and genotype is the genetic makeup of an organism. So we have written the genetic makeup in this question, and then phenotype, when they will ask you, we'll have to write how they appear in appearance. So B is dominant, capital B, that is black fur is dominated over brown fur. So the first one will be black. So black, how many are black? Black fur 1, 2, and 3, because they have one capital B. So 3 are with black fur and 1 is with brown fur, that is 1. Okay. So again, this is not a ratio, you have to mention the phenotype in the words. So this is another question which can come in your papers in the cross, where they will give you the type of the parent, and then you have to make the cross and identify whatever they have asked you in the question, either ratio or genotype or phenotype or either of these ratios. Now let's see one of the sex determination cross, how will you will have to answer. Let's see, this is one of the questions. Find out the progeny of a marriage between a normal man and a carrier hemophilic woman. Now we will take a normal man and a carrier hemophilic woman. So what normal man, what we take, XY, as we have already read, and for carrier hemophilic woman we will take X0X, that is carrier woman. This is normal man, and this is a normal carrier hemophilic woman. Now what we'll do, again, first we will, these are the parents, we will draw the gametes. So gametes here will be X, Y, and here you will have X0 and X. Whatever combination they might have given you, maybe it is a color blind man and carrier woman, maybe it is a normal man and normal woman, or normal diseased female and normal man. Any combination can be given to you. So you have to accordingly predict first the genotype of the concerned parents, and then from the gametes, and then you have to draw a checkerboard again to find out the type of the progeny formed. So here again we will draw a checkerboard, and on one side we will write XY, another side we will write X0 X. Now cross multiply X, X0, X0 Y, and XX and XY. Now what we will do again here, we will have to predict the offsprings. Now these are the 4 types of offsprings. This shows only the probability. So you can see half, 50% of the females out of these two are females. So out of 50% of the female child is normal carrier female child, and 50% is normal female child. So overall normal female child are 100% female child is normal, and 50% male child is diseased, that is hemophilic, and 50% male child is normal. So whatever they have asked you in the question, you will have to write, because now they have not asked you, they have just asked you what type of progeny. So we will again depict what does this mean. XX naught will give you normal carrier hemophilic female child. X naught Y hemophilic male child. Write it in full form. I am writing just in short, but that you write in full form, because only one question will come if it will come. XX is a normal female child, and XY is normal male child. Okay, so these types of questions can be asked. Even monohybrid cross can be asked, though mostly the questions asked are write the genotype and phenotype of F1 generation, or ratio. If ever ratio is asked, write 1:1 or 1. And in F2 generation they will only ask you phenotypic ratio and phenotype of the offsprings, both in monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. And in these types of sex determination crosses, they will give you the two possible combinations of men and women, and then you have to find the gametes and then cross multiply, form a checkerboard, and write down the details of the progeny that you have been given, because if you will not write this, the answer will not be given and will not get any marks. And in these types of question also, sometimes the parents genetic makeup has been given in the question, and then accordingly you have to make the cross and mention whatever has been asked in the question. This is the main thing that you have to write, whatever has been asked in the question. Thank you.